So this is chapter 4.1, and this is stuff we took last year. So with the highlights, we took it last year. Basically, the main things you have to remember here, there's a general equation for this. So x2 plus 2y minus, I'll write it in a different color because it's not that clear. x2 plus 2y minus gives you 2x minus plus y2 if x is more reactive. If x is more reactive, it displaces it. Going down the group, they get less reactive. So least reactive, and then most reactive. And you go down like this. So it's F, Cl, Br, I, AT. You barely use astatine, you're barely gonna see it. You also have to remember their colors, but we're gonna do it in the next question. So that means F is the most reactive. Cl, so I'll give you an example. Imagine X is Cl and Y is Br. It's gonna displace it naturally, spontaneously. Spontaneous in this context means natural. So you don't have to force anything, it just happens by itself. So that's what happens when something is more reactive. This is all you have to memorize for now. The general equation is this, and it displaces it. So, okay. Let's see. So you have NaCl plus I2. Nothing's gonna happen. Which one is more reactive? It's Cl. So it's not gonna displace it. It can't. And let's say they want it, here they want it net ionic, yeah? It's gonna be Na plus Cl minus plus I2 gives Na plus Cl minus plus I2. Nothing happens, literally nothing happens. So it's basically just asking what would happen if you just put them together. Nothing would happen because it's not spontaneous. Here it's different. Okay, so you have Cl2 plus Na plus Br minus, yeah? Remember the general equation. x2 plus 2y minus gives you 2x minus plus y2. So which one here is more reactive? Cl. So Cl, what Cl is gonna do is gonna kick out bromine. Okay, so wait, let me write this with a clear color. So you have Na plus Br plus Br minus plus Cl2. Now, it was like this before. So Na Br plus Cl2. Since Cl is more reactive, it's gonna kick it out. So then it's gonna become NaCl plus Br2. And then when you split it up, it's gonna become Na plus 2Cl minus. Like that. So look here. 2, and what's it called? Then Br2, yeah? So the Na are gonna cancel out, so it's gonna be Cl2 plus 2Br minus gives you 2Cl minus plus Br2. Because it's more reactive, it kicks the other out. Okay. This one's with the colors. You have to memorize with CCl4. See, look, with CCl4, with bromine, it gives you a red brown. Look here. See, this is with CCl4 with bromine. See, so this is chlorine. The layer on top is the CCl4. So chlorine, bromine, iodine. It gives you reddish, light red, dark red, something like red brown, something like that. So it's CCl4. And then if you add NaCl plus Br2, nothing's gonna happen because Cl is more reactive, so it's not gonna get kicked out. It wants to stay. To the third test tube, he added a few. Yeah, okay, look. Okay, look, see. The third test tube, he added a few drops of C. Then he added A, and the color became purple. With and CCl4, iodide is like it's violet purple. It's dark purple a bit. So I know here it looks black, but it's like violet purple, something like that. Plus, look, so you have bromide. You have bromide water, yeah. So here, when you add them, you get this color, and then when you add CCl4, this one was the self-study topic 9. Just look up a video on YouTube, you'll understand. It's easy.